Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a product animation video ad in Canva. So first you need to go to any web browser, create a Canva account. Once you have created a Canva account, you have to go to create a design, go to the search bar, and then search for that specific dimension or size. For example, you're going to create an ads for Instagram. So here, what you're going to do is select that ratio or dimension or size. So let's just say Instagram post. Then here you have to go to design and then look for the specific template. For example, you will be promoting some ads for shoes. So you can select a template right here. For example, this one. It will appear directly to this blank page and all you have to do is to edit. If you have your own product, then you can replace this picture with your own product right here. Just tap on upload, import the picture and drag this to the page. You can also change this one replace. For example, new arrival. If you want to add effects, just click add effects. You can choose from any of the effect right here, and you can also delete unnecessary elements and then drag and then change everything here if you want. You can change the font style, font size. Also, you can change the background color if you want. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to change the color of your background here, then all you have to do is to click the background. You can change the color by tapping the color icon and then look for the specific color that you want. Aside from that, you can also add an element here. So for example, if you want to add elements like shoes, all you have to do is go to elements, and then this time you have to search for shoes. And you can choose photos, graphics, everything is up to you. So type shoes right here. And then I'm going to pick or select graphics, select that specific graphic right here, and move this to the page. Now, you can also add another element like cart. For example, this means add to cart. Then you can go back to elements again, type cart, search, and then look for that cart, drag it over here. Once you're okay with that, you have to tap on the share button above, and it's up to you if you want to download this as picture, PNG, or video, PDF. So basically that's it. And as a result for your ads, all you have to do is to open this once downloaded. And this is how easy it is to create a product animation video ad in Canva.